Hello, my name is Paris Kentai and welcome to my farm. I'm going to take you through the daily routine.
First of all, I start by cleaning the cowshed. As you know, cleanliness is next to godliness. After doing all the cleaning, and Mark, you know that the shed must be as clean as possible so that the cows can feel at home. After that, I take the manure to where I always put them for future use, or I take them to the farm. Slowly by slowly, I go with my car, don't worry about the car, to the specific place. Then I make sure that feed the animals, my beautiful babies. I start by giving them the hay, the dry matter, both the animals. As you see here, we have the green matter. And brought for her the green matter, small kiasi. I went to Maria. Maria quickly and comfortably eats. Then we got the baby girl Naomi, pia yeye akakula chakula yake comfortably, pole pole. And after that, it's now milking time. And I put the dairy milk and mixture of maize jam and poran, then salt, and then I changanya the content, take to Naomi, give it to June, then Maria, my brown lady. It's time to milk. I bring the tools for milking straight to where June is. I wash the udder, be clean as possible. Then I dry the udder. Then I put the mafuta to soften the teeth. And then now into the job. 1, 2, and then I start. Slowly, 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 June, slowly, my baby, June, slowly, slowly, slowly. I'm almost done, slowly, slowly, almost finishing. I'm done with milking June. Back to the house. See you, babies. I'm off. Thank you for the milk and be blessed. You can now subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and follow me on my other pages. Bye bye.